Hi, my name is Angela Huffman. I'm an APQS dealer and educator, and I have a fun, sweet design today to show you called Flower Flip Flop. We start with 3 little daisy petals. So 1 daisy, 2 daisy, 3 daisy, and now I need to go put a center in my little daisy. And to do that, I'm just going to do a little loop to travel down to the bottom. And once I get down to the bottom, now I'm going to swing out and complete my daisy with 3 more little petals. 1, 2, 3, and now I'm ready to head to my next daisy. 1, 2, 3, and a loop. Complete the daisy. 1, 2, 3, and next daisy. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and a loop. And finish it up. 1, 2, 3, and head to my next daisy. 1, 2, and that's literally what's going on in my head, by the way. If I don't have something going on, I lose track. So something repetitive in your head will help you. In my case, it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and a loop. 1, 2, 3, and head back out. So if you notice, you're kind of doing one right side up and one upside down, and that'll help you travel across your border. Thanks for watching. If you'd like more information about APQS machines, contact your local dealer, visit your local APQS store, or visit us online at apqs.com. Be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel so you're notified every time a new video is posted, and join us on Facebook. We'd love to see what you're working on.